Hello, WhatsApp enthusiasts! In this guide, we'll unravel the mystery behind those check marks that appear alongside your messages. Let's dive into the world of message status indicators. Understanding check marks. Single gray check mark indicates your message has been sent from your device but not yet received by the recipient. Double gray check marks signify that your message has been successfully delivered and received on the recipient's device. Transforming to blue check marks. When the two check marks turn blue, it indicates your message has been read by the recipient, assuming they have read receipts enabled. Important considerations. Some individuals may have read receipts turned off, even if your message has been read. In such cases, the check marks will remain gray. Conclusion. Now you're well versed in interpreting the check marks on WhatsApp. Keep in mind the variations and possibilities, especially when dealing with read receipts. If you found this guide helpful, share it with your fellow WhatsApp users. Happy messaging!